go. Some of us have issues, I don't think I miss you. No one wants to fix you, it's all about the mixed truth. Tell me what's the issue, I don't think I'd risk you. I just think I'm sick too, I'm not enough to misuse. I could pop another fucking downer, I've been dreaming of designer. I've been dancing in the fire, fly away. I like feeling the desire in a mire. I feel tired from the liars, they've been pulling at my eyes until I let go. Some of us have issues, I don't think I miss you. No one wants to fix you, it's all about the mixed truth. Tell me what's the issue, I don't think I'd risk you. I just think I'm sick too, I'm not enough to miss. Please help me find another rhyme, I've been riding for my side. I can't get you on my mind, I'm just glad I'm not alive. I was torn into my pride, I'm a lonely homicide. I was born in suicide, I keep running for my life.
I wonder how you're doing, yeah baby, I can't stand on knowing. I keep on going, yeah right for me if I let you go. And thanks to you I'm growing, it feels like my whole world is gone and now the wind is blowing. And baby I know you're the worst, so much I regret. Still there with me, I wish you were good. There's so much I regret, so much I regret. Still there with me, I wish you would get there. There's so much I regret.
What do you have in store? One life away we can't explore, but I don't wanna get in the way no more, cause it's the type of feeling you can't ignore. I'm ready to break down the door, settle the score, I can't let you go. I miss a smile on your face, you know that I love the chase. You told me once that I was crazy, I said baby girl I know, but I can't let you go, so don't you get me started now. I want a yes, I don't want maybes, cause they leave me where you found me. So don't leave. Ooh, I just love the way you got me feeling, in love with the feeling. It's like, ooh, take away the pain. Baby, I'm healing, baby, I'm healing. I don't need anything more. Be the wave, I'll be the shore. Crashing all over me, I want you. What do you have in store? Type of girl that made me drop dead on the floor. This the only girl that I love and adore. This the type of love that you can't ignore. Say hey, she coming my way. She run around saying whatever she wanna say. I told her I don't wanna have to do this every day. Told her that I love her, but she thinking it's a game. Oh no, now she uncomfortable. Never wanna make it feel one dimensional. Oh yeah, oh nah nah nah. Don't know how we got here, don't you get me started now. You told me once that I was crazy. I said baby girl I know, but I can't let you go away, so don't you get me started now. I want a yes, I don't want maybes, cause they leave me where you found me.